Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, November 25th. A big part of asking for forgiveness is making amends. And what this consists of depends in part on what the victim needs from you in order to forgive. It can be a tangible return of what was lost, such as paying back money that was stolen or returning property that was taken. These are often the easiest and clearest amends to make. If your amends are of a financial nature and you are not able to fulfill them immediately, it is helpful to make a plan with your victim for regular repayments and then, of course, stick to that plan. Our words can express our remorse and desire to do right, but it is often our actions that most show our true intentions. If you make an agreement and stick to it, or you may find yourself having to travel the path of forgiveness all over again. A lot of times the amends needed may be of a more symbolic nature. For example, if there has been abuse or infidelity, your spouse or partner may need you to agree to go to counseling. In general, a victim needs to know and be reassured that the offense won't happen again. What your victim needs will be unique to your situation. Often, simply understanding the circumstances and the reasons for your actions, as well as feeling your genuine remorse, is all that is needed to grant forgiveness and move on to restoring the relationship. The amends process cannot be skipped or glossed over. If you're engaging in the forgiveness path without being able to directly ask for forgiveness, or ask the one you have hurt that what they need to be made whole, you can still make indirect amends to your victim. For example, if you have stolen money and cannot return it to the person for whatever reason, you can still donate an equivalent amount to a charity in the name of that person. You can send this money anonymously to the victim or the victim's family. If you have caused harm in your community, you can volunteer to do some community work as a form of reparation. There are countless ways we can set matters right, even without direction from those we have harmed. Ultimately, you are engaging in this process to return to your wholeness and heal all who were harmed, including yourself. And making amends is also how you heal yourself. So today, let's do another box of forgiveness practice with that in mind. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allow your breath to be natural, soft. No need to make it deeper, longer, bigger. Just notice how your natural breath flows through your body, and how your body responds to your natural breath. Find spaciousness in your breathing, allowing all the experiences of the present moment to flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now create a safe space, real or imaginary. Just try to see it fully and inhabit it fully. Is it indoors, outdoors? Is it big or small? What does it feel like? What does it smell like? What does it sound like? With each breath, find more and more safety, leaning into it, relaxing into it. And now you notice that someone is calling for you. They speak in a voice filled with warmth, love, and delight. When you are ready, welcome this person into your safe place and notice how their presence increases your sense of safety and assurance. Who is your companion today? Between you and your companion sits an open box. It is light and small enough for you to lift and hold. Do that and examine the box's texture, size, shape. And then start telling your companion the story of what you have done wrong. Tell the truth about the harm you've caused in as much detail as you can. As you speak, see the guilt and shame pouring out of you and into the open box, like a stream. Speak until you have finished. I'm going to give you about a minute in silence to do that. Now tell your companion that you are sorry for what you have done and ask for forgiveness. Notice that your companion smiles at you. They know that you're whole and worthy of love, no matter what you have done. Everybody deserves to be forgiven. Now gently close the box of forgiveness and hand it over to your companion. And when you're ready, leave your space of safety and place your hands on your heart, thanking yourself on walking this challenging path of forgiveness. With gratitude, send yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And now gently let go of your practice, and as always, scan your body, noticing what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to reflect on the subject of making amends. Is there anybody in your life you need to make amends to? Based on what you've learned today, how would you go about it? Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.